Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another haul. Now why do I do these hauls? Just to give you guys and for myself also a break from all this review and swatches and all that stuff. So hauls are something much more interesting and you see a lot of new products, a lot of new makeup, interesting stuff, and in this process you may end up buying something. So let's see what all I have been buying from Nykaa, because Nykaa keeps running sales and I will be coming up with a dedicated video where I will tell you what all you can buy during the upcoming sales, because now you will keep seeing a lot of sales on Nykaa. So let's get started and let's find out what all I picked up. So if you see me in Indo-Western look, like I'm wearing a Miss Western outfit, but I'm wearing the sindoor because, as I said, festivals are around the corner, and when I get ready for my festive occasions, I get ready completely. I wear a sindoor, bindi, and all that, and it's not. And being a married woman, I'm not supposed to remove the sindoor by my hands manually. If I wash my hair, then it's a different thing. But the sindoor which I use doesn't go away easily. So I thought I will just mention that, because you will keep seeing me in like more videos in sindoor some more time. So okay, so the first product which I bought is by the Body Shop, is the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. Now you know how much I love this solution. This is like my 6th or 7th bottle, I feel, and this will cost you $15.95. This is how the bottle looks like. It's one of my favorite serums. Like, I don't consider it to be a serum, but it's a solution which just do magic for my skin. And if you're an acne prone skin person and if you're looking for something like this, then I highly suggest you. This will just fix you up. This costs for $15.95, but then I'm a Body Shop member, so I get flat 10% whenever I buy anything from Body Shop. So the next thing which I got is the Face Shop Working Woman kits. Now I don't have the whole kit to show you guys, because when I bought it, it's already 2 weeks I've bought it, and I have already removed everything because I needed the pouch desperately. So I removed everything. The only 2 things which I have kept to show you, I'm going to show you that. So the first thing is the Smile Foot. This is the foot peeling mask kind of a process which I've not used it. This itself will cost you 650 rupees. Now I've not used it, so I will not be able to tell you what it does. So I will use it and update you guys on that. And the second kit which I was very much interested when I was buying this kit was this Yavadam Revitalizing Skincare Kit. Now I have been using this kit, and practically speaking, I have very mixed feeling on this particular range altogether. This works very differently. Now specifically this thing and this thing. So let me use it more, then I'll come back to you. You know, my skincare videos, I try the product at least for a month or 1.5, then only I'll come back to you on that. But so far these are the only 2 things which was most interesting in the kit. Other than that, if you ask me, I don't think it's an investment. Instead, you can go for the other 2 kits if they're available, but this one is not something which I liked, so I'm not going to be rebuying it. Okay, next up, again something I bought from Face Shop. The Face Shop was running this interesting sale on Nykaa, buy one get one. When you get these kind of sales, just blindly buy whatever you want to, because you are saving a hell lot of money here. So I bought this Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. So this itself is for $19.90, so this was free. And I bought this. Oh my god, why I bought this? Because I have already used this one in the mini size. So this is the benefit when you get mini size products, so you know what to buy next. So this was like, I was eyeing this, and this is going to be my newest night cream. Obviously I still stick by my holy grails, but I bought this because winters are around the corner and you need something more intense. And with that, I bought another eye cream, which you would have already seen in my skincare wishlist video. This is the Mango Seed Silk Moisturizing Eye Cream. It looks so good, and this is how it is. I love the packaging. I have to give that to Face Shop. Their packaging is up notch, up quality. The amount I paid for this was 2230. So basically I just paid 2230 and that 1990 cream was free. So it's a good deal. I'm waiting for another offer to come again, something like this. So I will buy more stuff from Face Shop. So that is something which I bought from Face Shop, and it's interesting. Like it's not interesting. It's just that I wanted to buy it. Let's be real. Let's move on to some interesting blender. Oh my god, my blender obsession is not still going. I'm still on some more interesting blenders. So this was definitely in my list because you would have already seen a blender series which is happening on my channel. So keep watching that series. Keep watching that series because I will be doing a compilation video at the end when all the blenders are done. So this is the Nykaa Blend Master in the shade. What shade is this? I don't know. It's some fluorescent green color. They have many colors. This was on discount, so I bought this one. Color really doesn't matter to me since it was on discount. This will cost you $450, but I paid $383, something like that. So I will give a shot. I will try it. I will show you guys. Definitely, it has to be a first impression, so wait for that. Next up is the most interesting blender which I always wanted to buy, and I bought it. Finally, is the wiseshe teardrop blender. Now this is how it is. You get a mini blender also. I've not used it, guys. I've not used it. This is how it is, and this is the big blender. I will be doing a first impression soon. I don't know how soon it will be, but I will be doing it. I will let you know how I feel about it. But I'm super excited, and I love supporting beauty bloggers, influencers, YouTubers, whatever you want to call it as. Support them. They're doing something new, something interesting, and wiseshe blenders though are known. So I had to get this. As I mentioned in my blender video also, that don't rush. Wiseshe blender is coming up. Okay, next another makeup tool which I got is by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Brush. Now Maybelline has recently got 2-3 brushes, and I went to the store and I said I want to buy the brush, and the store lady said, ma'am, you have to buy a makeup up to 1500 2000 and you'll get the brush free, but you cannot buy the brush. I was like, really? So when I went to Big Basket and I bought this because this was under discount and I paid like 300 something, and this brush itself is for 499. So, and you get these brushes on Nykaa also. Why I bought it from Big Basket? Because Big Basket delivery is like quicker. Whatever time I will give them, they will deliver it to me. So I just went ahead and bought this. Definitely I'll be showing you how this performs. I've not used it. If I really like it, I'm going to buy one more. Now since this I bought, wiseshe dropped another foundation brush also, which I will be buying definitely. But so far I wanted a foundation brush, so I went ahead with the Maybelline one. Okay, next up there are some interesting face powders which I bought. So this is the Makeup Revolution London Bake and Float powder. Now this again was in my wish list, and I bought it. This is how it looks, and then you open it and you get the powder. So I got the shade Banana in it, and today I'm not wearing it. I have already been using this. You would have already seen me using this in one of my videos because I have already been trying. It's just that I didn't get time to film this haul because of 2-3 products which arrived little late. So I thought I'll show you everything together. That is why the haul is coming later. So I will link all the reviews, all the demo videos in my description, so you can go ahead and watch them. So this is another powder which I bought. Next up, I got a bronzer by Physician Formula, which I've been, announcing it like everywhere. So this is the butter bronzer by Physician Formula in the shade Deep. Amazing. Lovely. This is how it is. Again, I have been wearing this bronzer. Amazing. Lovely. The scent of it, like you just open it and the scent will come. So the scent issue, it really doesn't bother me. But if you have a scent issue, then I would say just check it If you can bear it, then you take it. After putting it on the face, it just vanishes away in like 30 seconds and you're done. So don't get bothered with the scent, but it's good. It's not something harsh or bad or fluorescent-y. It's more of a cookie dough scent. So that's the butter bronzer which I got. Since my bronzer love was not over, I had to refill my NYX bronzer. So I went ahead and bought a new NYX bronzer in the shade medium. A medium shade is also good. I have been using deep tan, and Nykaa didn't have deep tan. They had medium as the last shade. So this is the this is the medium shade, and it is going to work well for me. So this is the NYX matte bronzer. I got for 850. There was no discount. So I just got it because it's very difficult to get NYX bronzer, you know. It's much difficult because nowadays I don't know what's happening. NYX, you can't see NYX, most of the products easily available. Last but not the least, something which you have already reviewed on my channel, but I just wanted to show you guys about it. And there is a review on my channel, is the Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte Lipsticks in the shade On Fleek and Squad. I'm wearing Squad and On Fleek together just to give a little more pigmentation to the lipstick. So again, I've done a full review on them. They're really amazing in packaging wise. The formula and all, everything you'll know in that video, so you can jump onto that and know more. But it's just that yeah, so I don't think so I have anything more to show you guys. So I hope you loved watching this interesting small mini haul. After that, there will be a small mini Colourpop haul which I'm promising from the longest time. So today I thought I'll just sit and film these two hauls for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you loved watching this one. So consider subscribing if you really loved watching. Follow me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek. Till then guys, you take care of yourself, and we'll be back soon with something more interesting and something more exciting. Take care and bye-bye.